You wake up and it's 5 p.m., the sun is still out, but the sun's starting to set. You step on the scale and you are checking your weight, but you notice that the scale is still the same, or worse, it's gone up. And if you're being honest, night shift is where everything starts to fall apart. My name is Martin. I'm a nurse working 12-hour shifts at a hospital, and I used to work night shift. I'll show you why working night shift makes fat loss feel harder and what you need to do differently. So you're busy working the whole shift. You're walking, charting, you're passing medicines, you're cleaning up patients, you're monitoring them. You're not sitting around doing nothing. But despite all that, you're still gaining weight and you're not losing fat, and it's frustrating. When you feel like nothing's working, you naturally just start thinking that night shift just ruins my metabolism. Maybe eating at night is the problem. Or maybe that I just need more discipline. But that's not actually what's going on here. The real issue is night shift removes structure from your day. Your meals are inconsistent, your energy is inconsistent, your routine's inconsistent, your sleep is inconsistent, and because of that, your decisions become inconsistent, and that's what makes fat loss feel hard. So instead of trying to fix everything at once, you need to start creating structure around your shift, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just start a simple structure so that way you don't rely on making decisions on shift. Because right now, your shift is basically deciding for you when you eat, what to eat, and how you feel. So instead, we want you deciding what you should do before you start shift. But one of the biggest problems on night shift isn't just lack of structure, it's what happens during the middle of your shift. That moment where your energy drops and everything starts to slip. So in the next video, I'll show you exactly why you feel exhausted at 2 a.m. on shift and how to fix it.